So in today's session, we are going to see what are custom tags in Java. Basically, custom tags are nothing but an user-defined tags which are used to define an functionality or an attribute depending upon the user declaration. Okay. So if we compare this custom tags with HTML tags, we know that in HTML there are various types of type. Suppose we consider and one a simple tag that is h1 for heading. So in custom tags, suppose if you want to create one user-defined tag, whose name is suppose XYZ, and you want to provide the functionality of heading, then we can achieve it with the help of custom tag. Okay, so to create custom tags in Java, we basically require three kind of files. The first file will be Java file. In this Java file, we need to create one class who will extend simple tag support and override the function do tag method. Okay, basically, an overriding the do tag method is nothing but the writing the custom tags logic. Basically, inside this do tag, we write the functionality or and programming logic related to our custom tag. Okay, so next file will be our TLD file, and main role behind TLD file is to provide the physical attributes of the file, which include its name, then URI. URI is nothing but an uniform resource ID. Basically, it is an unique ID to which is assigned to our custom tag. So, a major difference between these two files is the Java file contains the main logic or backend logic of the custom tag, and TLD file contains the physical attributes or physical content of our custom tag. And at last, we want to create one JSP file, which is nothing but the main file who will display the custom tag content on our web page. Okay, so to create custom tag, there are certain steps which include the first step, which is create a dynamic application. Basically, in any kind of Java ID, we simply need to create one dynamic web application. Inside this application, we need to create one package, and in this package, we need to create our Java file, which will extend the simple tag support and override the do tag method. Then we need to create one TLD file inside WebINF folder, and at last we will create one JSP file, who will simply display the class or the custom tag content on our web page. Okay. Now we'll see one real example. First of all, we need to create one dynamic web project. I'll name it as custom EX. Click on next, and generate our web.xml file. Then simply click on finish. And inside our project file, create one package. So the name of package will be used in our TLD file to define the location or the path of our custom tags logic. So inside our package name, we'll create simply one class file. Suppose I'll declare our class file name as custom class. And since we want to use the super class our simple tag support, I'll simply search it over here. Since I have searched already, I'll simply select it and then click on finish. So once our Java class is created, that is our Java file, we will extend our simple tag support. Inside this, we will simply override the do tag method. And inside this method, we will simply just write the logic of our custom tag. Suppose in our case, we want to simply display a certain kind of text on our web page. Then I'll use JSP writer class. Okay. then create one instance of it. Suppose I will create as X, and then use two methods, which will be get JSP context dot get out. Okay. So basically here JSP writer is class, X is an object, get JSP context and dot get out are nothing but and methods which provide an functionality to display any kind of content from our logical part in our web page. Okay. Now with the help of our object, we'll simply use println method, and inside this we'll simply say hello, this is logical part of custom tag. Okay. Once we create this file, simply save it. Then click on our dynamic project file, right click it and create one, sorry, simply move to source file, then go to web app, and in web-inf, just right click it, click on new, click on file, and write some name, XYZ suppose, dot TLD, and then finish it. Once we create file, TLD file, we simply just need its basic format, which will look like this. So in basic format, this part, the first 8 lines are not much necessary for user. They are basically predefined. So the basic changes we are going to do nothing but here. The short name is nothing but a nickname, which helps us to understand that which TLD file is about this. Okay. So URI is nothing but unique resource identifier. Here, suppose I write and Robert. Okay. So the tag, opening tag and closing tag between this part will simply define the name of our custom tag, whose in our case we have considered it as Alex. Then in tag class, we simply need to write the name of package. So name of our package is nothing but custom. See, here we can see it. Dot name of class, that is custom dot class, and body content should be kept as empty at initial stage. Then simply save this file. Then since we have created one custom tag in our Java file, then we created one TLD file to provide the physical attributes like its name, its URI, and simply called or assigned it using the tag class. Okay. Then we need to create one JSP file to display this content on the web browser. Okay. Then we simply write some name over here. Suppose I'll write uh, X, Y, Z dot JSP. Simply click on finish. Once the JSP file is created, we simply need one custom tag directive that is nothing but and percentage at the rate tag lib, then URI. So in URI, we will define the unique resource ID that we declared in our TLD file, which was nothing but Robert. You can check it over here, Robert. Okay. Then simply we'll create an prefix. Prefix is nothing but a nickname or short name to use certain URIs. In our case, we'll use the prefix as R. And inside the body tag, we will simply use prefix name R, and then we'll use colon, and then we'll simply declare the name of custom tag, which was Alex, and simply close it, and simply save and run this file. Select your server and finish. It takes about 10 to 20 seconds to restart the server. Once the server get restart, it will open our default web browser, and in web browser, it will run our JSP file in order to display the custom tag content. So we can see that the custom tag have been running over here, where we can see that hello, this is logical part of custom tag. So this is nothing but all about our custom tag. I hope you have liked the video. Thank you.